what's up guys? Si nou sou channel la, konsidere subscribe paske jodi a nou pal la kon brand new video anseman avek ti frem nan. Kote m pral menen misye achte kek tenis. So m souwete nou enjoy gade video a. Si nou sou channel la, pa bliye peze ti bouton pou ka like video a en komen pou dim ki son reme de video a e ki son pa reme si ou te de video ba.
Yeah, bro. Which one you need? Size 7. Size 7. I'm check.
What am I saying?
One of those two.
Hmm?
One of those two. I don't know which one.
Black one is a little better.
Is it for girls? Because that shit got.
You don't have any size 7?
Yeah?
No. These are 5. What do you have? 5? You're a 3.5.
This one looks good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, on Monday it's still gonna cool like ça.
Yeah.
Est-ce que bon?
Yeah, you can ask him. This one looks cooler than some.
Not this color, another one. Not like this. That shit look bad.
So this one pon sa.
I don't know if they have that one. I don't know if they have that one like that got the real color in there. Like not those, not like those. Not they look neat. That shit look bad. Look, turn that shit. That shit don't look good. Even how that shit look. You see how that shit look? That shit ain't look good for you.
Bon, le cas on l'autre couleur.
Look cool again.
Yeah, c'est ça, on déplacer.
You want me to how?
Yeah, but ça trop petit. So.
My Monday, ça. My Monday, let's get game.
Bro, do you have another color of this one?
Nah, if it's not here, then we don't probably have one.
That's what I'm saying.
This one,
And those.
those.
But those are high tops.
Yeah. So which one you need, bro?
I think I'm gonna get that. Is that one for boy or something? Is it for boy, that one?
Unisex. Like girls or boys.
Yeah. Let's say something
You gonna take that one? That one or that one?
Want me to check? What size you need?
7.
You don't have a 7?
What about, is it 8 or something?
No. 8 is over there.
8?
No, we always. I have a 6 on these. You don't have a 7.
What size is this one, bro?
7.
Let me see. It's a 6.
Oh,
We're gonna look for
Right.
8 over there. 8?
Alright.
Yeah.
8 and 8.5 is over there and up.
alright.
This is 3.5 and 7.
7.
Yeah. Let's go now.
Okay.
I prefer. Sawa, see, Sawa. My last day 14. My perfect.
That should be 7 now, not 8. Got Bible.
That's it right there. That's it right there.
You want me?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Let's go with me.
That's too bad, guy.
Oh, I heard it was madness yesterday.
que ça beau. Is that for girls machine?
No, it's not for girls. So finalement guys, Mete te jwen tenis lan. Si nou ta bezwen ki tenis Mete t'achete, please like, le fini comment, le fini map di nou ki kou le tenis l'achete, le fini map la gon lot brand new video ki pou el mouto ki tenis Mete t'achete ya. See you to the next video. Peace.